Modding Tomb Raider Legend and came across GUI files in the game data. These control the game's user interface elements. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these game data files contain and how to work with them. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic GUI corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. GUI files. In the context of Tomb Raider Legend are game interface data files that define the visual layout and behavior of in-game menus, heads-up display elements, inventory screens, and navigation interfaces. They control button positioning, text formatting, animation triggers, and user interaction handling within the game. Tomb Raider Legend GUI. Files use a proprietary binary format, storing UI element definitions, with position coordinates, size dimensions, texture references, animation sequences, event handler mappings, and text string identifiers. The format is specific to the Crystal Dynamics game engine used in the Legend era titles. Optimal handling of the GUI format is achieved using Tomb Raider Legend by Crystal Dynamics. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows may recognize the extension but cannot interpret the content, requiring game-related software. Your reliable starting command is the Open With action. Right-click the GUI file and select Open With. If Tomb Raider Legend is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If your GUI file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Rather than guessing, let's understand the root cause. Before we deploy the universal fix, here are the most common technical reasons your GUI file is generating this error. First, viewing with Hex Editors. Open the GUI file in a Hex editor such as HXD or 010 editor to examine the raw binary structure. Look for readable text strings that indicate UI element names, menu labels, and configuration parameters. This provides insight into the file's contents even without a dedicated parsing tool. Next, using modding community tools. Search the Tomb Raider modding community forums for custom GUI file editors or extraction tools developed by the community. Fan-made utilities may parse the specific GUI format and display editable interface element properties. Check sites like TombRaiderForums.com for the latest modding tools and documentation. Finally, modifying game interface. If community tools support GUI editing, modify interface element positions, text, and behavior to customize the game experience. Always back up original GUI files before making changes. Place modified files in the game directory to override the defaults and test changes by launching the game to verify your modifications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.